Alrighty.
See ya.
Oh, I'm fine right there, unless you want to go further down. Did I hear Simon? No, I think it was somebody backing in.
What are you doing?
Thank you. No, somebody playing music.
China clear.
Stay there?
Alright, I'm going behind you.
2.5 minutes at best.
I'm about the same.
Yeah, okay. Out of the way, please. Thank you.
How'd you guys accelerate so much faster?
F-22 doesn't accelerate very fast, I noticed that. But once it's going, it's going.
But also Nate put like a slower setup in this.
Well, I haven't gotten on it yet.
No, that thing's fast.
What?
That's me. I'm just putzing around.
Go fast.
Keon, what the heck are you doing flying with us right now?
Exactly.
That's like nowhere near what we are. We're gonna have a hard time figuring out where you are. So I can't see what I mean? You're just in the freaking way, man. You almost took out your own dad. What the heck? See, now there you're in my way this time. Gah!
I'm gonna annoy Nate.
You're annoying all of us.
Nowhere else.
You guys turning or going up?
Go.
Turning.
Get out, Keon. You're so annoying.
If you shoot anybody down, I'm gonna kick you. I hear a V8 powered plane.
Oh, no, that sounds good. Yeah, sun's not in the sun is not in the ideal place. You're landing already? See ya? Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I got 1 minute to go. And I'm barely using any throttle, so I'll be good.
Oh.
That looks pretty good. It's a little closer than I would like, but whatever.
The end.
Very nice. God, that P-51 is really annoying.
This is what the real one is?
Not even the P-51.
I'll just have to fly past him.
Well, it's funny because the pilot getting annoyed by it is just really funny.
I'm at the end, near side of the runway.
I'm just gonna chase Nate, alright.
Oh, you can't chase me anyway, I'm too fast.
Well,
Nate gets pissed off and it's always funny.
Can I taxi back?
Are you guys like brothers or something or what? What the heck?
you know
5,
No.
What?
2, 1. Time expired.
Okay, I gotta come in, guys.
Jesus! Get out!
Runway, near
Alright,
side.
I'm gonna try to stay, whoa, weird wind.
You're wobbly, dude.
Yeah. The wind did something weird.
Out of the sun.
What?
The wind did something weird back there. Ah!
Alright, landing.
I'm all the way at the end on the right. So see, maybe we fly like adults the next time together. And
What's that?
maybe we fly like adults the next time together
Yes.
instead of with the
It's got
crazy ass
hijacked by the kids.
teenagers. My God.
I know, I can't wait for the video.
You guys are crazy, man.
Nate just ruined it for himself.
I thought that was pretty funny regardless. Your
No,
plane,
that was fun.
your plane's backing
I was
up.
messing around, that was fun. That one low pass, man, we got right next to each other. Poor Sia was landing, and we're right on his ass.
I'm digging the F-18. I'm liking it.
It's growing on me.
Yeah. I'm glad I spent that extra time getting things right. What I dislike is that they painted blue in the dang exhaust. Oh, I got a jumper. I can jump you. One of those jumping packs.